Hi, I'm Hazem Ashour. I'm from Alexandria, Egypt. I am a mechanical engineer. I'm currently doing my third semester at UPC in Barcelona as part of the DENSYS program. So if you're wondering, what is the DENSYS program? It's about you acquiring necessary technical information and knowledge about integrating renewable energy sources and energy systems in order to reduce carbon emissions, energy consumption, and of course to be able to combat climate change. So if these things interest you, then I'll tell you more about the program right now. So the program is basically divided into three main stages where you spend 1 year in France in University of Lorraine, studying basically getting your background checked on both mechanical, chemical, and electrical engineering. You'd feel like you've taken another bachelor or something. And after this, you can go on a track you chose. Either you're more inclined to on the bigger picture and the policy, so you can go to KTH in Sweden, or you're more inclined into understanding more about energy storage and transforming one energy to another. You go to Italy, and of course, if you're interested more about the heat elements, about reducing energy consumption in heating systems, whether industry or in residential buildings, then you go to UPC in Spain, Barcelona. Uh, and after this, you can go to do your master thesis by applying to an internship in a company or a research institute where you basically get a job, and through this job you write your own master thesis. So you'll be applying everything you've learned and acquiring practical knowledge in the field and the work field or research field depending on your interest. And at the end you get not just one, you get two diplomas. So if you're interested and you want to apply, basically you just need two things. You just need a bachelor degree either in electrical or chemical or mechanical, and you really need good English. So, and you need to certify, of course. You just need TOEFL or IELTS exam. So I just leave this here for you to, read it, pause it. You can read it, but basically above B2 English and good grades in bachelor degrees. Hopefully, if you're ranked, it will be even better. So, okay, now you're hooked. You want to apply? You'll be able to you do that through the website of DENSYS. There's a platform where you can apply all your papers. You can do it. It's not just one go. You can do it in the application process, which starts from October till January. Apply all these following documents. You just apply and wait, basically. So let's say you want to study in 2025. So we'll apply. Application starts in October 2024 until January 2025. You upload all the following. You'll wait until March 2025 and then you get accepted, and then you can start your program from September 2025. So basically you have a lot of time to finish all your visa procedure, which will be very, very easy once you get accepted. If you're an Erasmus scholar, visa applications is the easiest, and most of the time I think in most countries it gets free for you at the end, and you'll be treated like royalty. So it's a simple process. If you need any advice, the DENSYS management is always happy to help. You can always contact any previous student in the cohorts using LinkedIn. It's easy. They will able to guide you even to any application. So application process is one of the easiest ever. So one couple of advice I'm going to give you about the motivation letter and video, because it's quite unique for DENSYS, is that you need to try to do it in a narrative form. Take it step by step. That okay, you've been doing this so far in your life, and it has ended up in leading you to joining DENSYS. Try to always highlight on okay, how do you fit in all this. So, for example, you've done a lot of energy projects in your life. You've been working on this. Highlight this because that's what you're going to work at. For example, you've been working as teaching assistant in thermal energy. You've been doing papers on this, so this will make you fit more for the UPC track, and so on. And of course, share at the end your plans and what you plan to do. What you're going to do after you finish dances, or what you're planning to do after even work after dances. You finish dances, you want to work after you work, and so on. Do the same in the video and try to add something personal from just add something about yourself and about the country you're from. Try to share something personal. So if you think about how good is the education? Education is next level. Sometimes it can be quite intense, but you really learn a lot. You have lots of projects. You'll be working with multi-international. Well, our group had more than 17 nationalities, so it's very intense and very fruitful working experience. You have one of our unique projects, a 6 months challenge-based project. Basically, do 2 semesters working on this project, and where people would split, as I mentioned, in some tracks. Some people will be in Italy, you'll be in Spain, and you need to work together. We have a lot of projects and educators from the industry, from other universities, from Belgium, from Germany, from France, from everywhere. And you can get to see what you're actually studying. You can go take a live visit. We in this picture we visited the nuclear power station, so it was interesting. And some of the projects are basically research papers, and you'll have to learn through those research papers. So really seeing everything you learn is applied and it's in real life, and it's a joy to actually learn all this. So we're very proud to be part of this. So one thing's was different from your expectation reality was the education systems. So you might be using a certain weak system, certain ways. That's can be quite different from each country to go. So don't get stuck on that. Also, cultures in terms of asking questions, asking for help. Um, it's different from where you don't have like there's a standard we expect to face it. It's different from each country you visit. In Belgium is different, France is different, so it's very interesting to learn how to deal with this. And of course, support. For me, the support was amazing. I didn't expect it to be like this. You can ask for funds, you can ask for the trips, you can ask for visits. It's always easy to access such stuff. That for me that was I didn't expect that level, and it really blew my mind. And so, is it just studying all the time? Well, actually, no. In DENSYS, we do we do a lot. Maybe even sometimes it could be even more than the studying for some of us. So we visited lots of cities as part of our group. The manager organizes trips to near cities. You have ourselves. We organize cultural dinners. We say request to visit fairs. It's basically not you can do whatever you want basically if in your free time for sure, but Glance's managerial help you not just study all the time because sometimes you be inclined that okay, I just want to study, I have exams, I need to do this, but they would let you know you should go out, you should explore, and they would help you do this, and they would ease it for you. It's a blast to visit a lot of places, and you have so much good memories. Yeah, I can write a movie about it. It's just amazing. And but okay, what after we graduate? We find a job for sure. I mean, if you look at previous DENSYS group, the DENSYS course, they work in very prestigious companies, ABB, Airbus, Daikin, Volvo. I mean, that's just like a short list. I would encourage you to search for DENSYS on LinkedIn, see everybody who working, and see that everybody has very bright future. Um, and it's just amazing, so inspiring always when you're part of the group and you look at the previous course and what they've done and you say like, yep, I want to be with them and I want to even compete. It's a very privileged program to be in. Such an honor, really. Well, I think that sums it up a bit, and I thank you for watching. I hope it was interesting and informative for you, and well, good luck being accepted in this. I'll be looking forward to seeing you soon. Good luck. Take care. If you need any questions, here's my contact. I'll be happy to help.